Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best neck massagers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the neck massagers in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best neck massagers on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. The Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager is a massage pillow with good surface area and performance that really works out those knots. It's small enough to position in specific problem areas, but large enough to use on your entire upper back or neck for minutes at a time. It has optional heating too, which can boost its ability to soften tight muscles. Plus, it's easy to put it in a bag to take on a trip, bring with you to work, or even use in the car. It isn't perfect. It has a built-in power cable, so you need to set up near an outlet. Also, it only offers one speed, and it may be too intense for injuries or tender areas. Those issues aside, it's the best massage pillow I've tried, and has enough power to make it worth a try. Coming at number 4, Therabody Theragun Pro Plus Handheld Massage Gun. If you watch a lot of sports, you've probably seen a physical therapist using a Theragun on your favorite athlete. The brand that popularized the massage gun, Theragun massagers are very pricey, but earn their price tag with powerful pressure and stellar design. Dr. Moore strongly recommends Theraguns for patients who don't mind spending a bit more on a device that can provide significant relief at home. The Theragun really digs into your muscles, Dr. Moore says. It's great for working out knots and helping muscles recover. It comes with different attachments to use on various body parts. It's a bit pricey, but many of my patients find it worth the cost. While we like the whole Theragun line, the Theragun Pro Plus is the brand's most feature-rich massager, with settings you can't get on its other models. That includes a helpful heated setting and 5 preset routines designed to help you recover after a tough workout or just a long day at work. The Pro Plus only comes with 3 speeds and 5 attachments, fewer than some of its competitors. However, those attachments, standard ball, dampener for sensitive areas, thumb for painful knots, micro point for muscle recovery, wedge for shoulder blades, cover the bases you're likely to need as an everyday customer. The price point is extreme, but if you want the deepest of deep tissue massages with a heated massage head and all the trimmings, it may just be worth it. Number 3, Body Back Buddy Classic. Dr. Moore recommends cane massagers like Body Back Buddy Classic, which have small knobs that you can press into yourself for a deep tissue massage. The S shape allows you to hook it over your shoulder, behind your back, or around your neck to reach pressure points that you might not be able to reach otherwise. It's also highly adjustable by nature. It only works as hard as you press, so you're unlikely to work your body more than it can handle. I love this because it is inexpensive, and if you add some range of motion with the pressure, it is possible to get a great release from the muscle, Dr. Moore says. Personally, the Body Back Buddy was a lifesaver for my wife's first pregnancy. The question mark, as my wife lovingly calls it, allowed both of us to manage her back pain more effectively than just our hands alone. Coming at number 2, Mighty Bliss Cordless Back and Body Massage. The Mighty Bliss is a customizable and compact massager with a very wallet-friendly price tag. It performs more like a massage gun than a wand, giving you precise control. The long handle makes it very easy to reach every inch of your back, including areas that may be tough to reach with a massage gun. Don't forget, There are muscles in your back that support your neck. An adjustable force dial gives you a range of pressure settings that, together with a set of 6 massage heads, gives you a decent toolkit to deal with both tough knots and sensitive spots. When I tried it, I particularly enjoyed the brush head, which works well on the scalp and the nape of the neck. It's also surprisingly quiet for an electric massager. It lasts up to 2 hours on a single charge, which is quite good for its category and price point. The Mighty Bliss isn't as powerful as some of the other picks, but it has some strong selling points for a budget-conscious choice. Number 1. LifePro Dynaflex Heavy-Duty Massage Gun. Recommended by Dr. Moore, the LifePro Dynaflex is an effective massage gun for treating neck pain and an affordable alternative to prestigious and expensive brands like Theragun and Hyperis. It still does a good job at massaging deep into your muscles. You can adjust the speed and change the attachments, she says. It's a solid choice if you want a massage gun without spending too much. The Dynaflex offers 16 speeds and 10 adjustable heads, so you can take a careful and considered approach to dealing with various forms of pain. It's also highly portable and lasts up to 25 hours on a single charge. While it lacks the high-end features of a top-of-the-line massage gun, its performance and price make it easier to recommend for a wide range of people. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best neck massagers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.